Okay, we're back, episode 3. Behind me I've got a freshly painted Unimog tray. So last time you saw me blast it all down, pressure wash it, clean it up, and then I sent it to the blasters, so I had it all professionally sandblasted and then 2K finished as well. And since last time I've had major knee reconstruction, so again that's slowed down the process, but that's all part of life, it's not going to stop me. So yeah, had my right knee ACL revision, cartilage repair, minor fracture, and strap up the underside of the leg to stop it happening again. Crazy, but here we are. So I'll show you around this in a second and then we'll go through some details. As you can see, it's all nice and freshly painted. We're just planning out now for where the new deck's going to go, which bolts we're going to utilise and which bolt holes we'll utilise as well. So it's come up pretty good. I'm happy with it. There's a few patches here and there that just want a little touch up, but yeah, looking nice and fresh. So when we took the original deck off, that was 3 full sheets and a small section, but we found out that that didn't fall on the support bearers where it should. So there's one piece that ended there, another in the middle there, and so on and so on. Now to me, logic says we should have a piece joining on these wider bars, and same down here. So we're going to end up using 4 full sheets for this as opposed to 3 and a bit, but it'll be a much better finish. So we planned out the original tray where all the bolts were, and then we're carrying that through to our new design. So a little bit of calculations involved there, but should allow for a better job. So we've got the tray deck coming along quite nicely. Just now putting in the deck bolts. So we've CNC'd all of the ply to fit around the corners and all aligned nicely, as you've seen. We were going to pre-drill these on the CNC, but they're all a mismatch, so it was too much headache. So we're just going to hand drill them. So finding underneath where to go, pre-drill through. Get the tray deck bolts in, the famous tray deck bolts. Then the nut and the washer underneath. Impact driver. I'm just pulling that down enough so that it's on, but it's not going to split and crack the ply. As you can see, nice and fresh, all brand new bolts, all nice and black. New ply, bolts, washers, nuts, looking really good. Few runs on the paint from the painter. It's an industrial paint job, it's not a car. I can live with that. But yeah, pretty happy with how this is looking now. Having the forklift has been a massive help. Okay, so we're almost there. That's the tray refurb nearly complete. You've seen us CNC the panels, paint the edges. We've fitted them off, drilled the holes, added the new bolts, washers and bolts underneath. So now it just needs to clean down, get the air gun out, blow it all down, and then I'll silicone seal all around the edge, let that cure overnight, and then I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, thanks for watching.